Let us discuss the solution of exercise 6.1 permutation combination 11th maths NCERT. Question number 1 is how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that number 1 repetition of the digit is allowed, number 2 repetition of the digit is not allowed. So let us see. First of all, we will discuss the case of repetition allowed. We have the 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to make 3-digit number. So 3 places to be filled. As repetition is allowed, so first place can be filled with any of these 5 digits. That means 5 ways. Now second place can also be filled by any of these 5 digits because repetition is allowed. So 5 ways. Third digit place can also be filled by any of these 5 digits. So 5 ways. So total number of 3-digit numbers when repetition is allowed can be formed using these 5 digits will be 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Okay, now discuss the case when the repetition is not allowed. So if the repetition is not allowed, the first place has no restriction. It can be filled with 5 ways. But the second place will be filled with the remaining 4 digits. So 4 ways. Similarly, third place digit can be filled with remaining 3 digits because 2 digits has occupied over here. So 3 ways. So total number of 3-digit numbers when repetition not allowed is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. Now come to the second question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 if the digits can be repeated? Again, repetition allowed. We have the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and we know the even numbers. One criteria of even number is that the unit place digit is always even. And how it can be even? By placing the even digit number. We have 2, 4 and 6. 3 digits are even. So this unit place digit can be filled with 3 ways. Okay. Here also it is the case of repetition. So 3 ways. Okay. Now the 2 places are left to be filled. So we have 6 digits. Why? Because repetition is allowed. So here the digit which is occupied by the unit place will not hamper the number of digits to be filled on this first place and the second place. So this will be also filled by 6 ways. This will also be filled by 6 ways. And this is 3 ways. So 6 into 6 into 3, that is 108 ways. Now question number 3. How many 4 letters can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letter can be repeated? So you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. These are the first 10 letters of English alphabet. We have to form 4 letter code. It means 4 places to be filled using these letters and no letter can be repeated. So first place can be filled by 10 ways. Second place 9 ways. Third place 8 ways, fourth place 7 ways. So number of 4 letter code using 10 letters of English alphabet where repetition not allowed will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, that is 5040. Now come to the next question. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once, means repetition not allowed. You have 0 to 9 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. You have to make 5-digit telephone numbers. So 5 places to be filled where each number starts with 67, means first place is occupied by 6, fixed for the 6. Okay, so 1 way. Second place is fixed for the digit 7, so 1 way. Now you have third place, 2 digits has been occupied, so we are remaining with 8 digits, so third place can be filled with 8 digits. Now as there is repetition is not allowed, so fourth place will be filled by 7 ways and the fifth place will be filled by 6 ways. So your number of ways will be 8 into 7 into 6, that is 336. Because this is 1 way means 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. So this is the solution of question number 4. Now come to this. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcome are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Now if you have to toss a coin 3 times, means first time how many outcomes can be possible? Head and tail. So first time you will get 2 ways. Second time also same possibility, 2 ways head or tail. Third time also 2 ways head or tail. So your number of possible outcomes on coin tossing 3 times is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And you can see the output can be like this. For the first time head, second time head, third time tail. H H H H T T H T H T H T T H H T T T T T H. Now next question. Question is your given 5 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if each signals require the use of 2 flags, ones below the other? So we have 5 flags. Okay, I have drawn it, and you have to put these 5 flags in such a way that 2 signal point is there. Okay, on that you have to put these 5 flags, one below the other. So first can be filled by 5 ways. The second can be filled by remaining 4 ways, because repetition is not allowed. So only 2 places you have to fill. So total number of ways is 5 into 4, that is 20.